The Thread of Her Love, written by Daniel Ayman. In the sun's warm glow, I giggle and play, chasing the shadows that dance in the day. Tiny feet patter like raindrops in stream. Wrapped in her warmth, I drift into dreams. Whispers of love, so gentle and bright. A comforting song full of hope and light. With every small step, I come alive. In her safe arms, my dreams survive. Her laughter surrounds me, soft and profound. In her sweet smiles, pure love is found. In our garden, where daisies bloom, she points to the stars, lighting the gloom. Look, my dear, how the moon glows high. Her voice a lullaby beneath the sky. Together, we plan our hopes each day, nurturing joy in a heartfelt way. We water with laughter, we sing as we sow. In our little heaven, love continues to grow. We whispers of wishes, dreams taking flight. Under the heavens, all feels right. She teaches me gently, with smiles so wide, that love and hope walk side by side. But storms still come, clouds fill the blue. Words can sting, no matter how true. In schoolyard games, where joy may end, I stumble and fall, unsure how to mend. Yet, she's the light that gets me through. With hugs and smiles, she pulls me anew. Years pass by, I rise like a tree. A young woman now, dreaming well and free. I adjust my goals to the blazing fire, but still I hear her in moments prior. In the noise of the world, I sometimes stray, forgetting her lessons along the way. But I promise her stars, the sun and the moon. With every step forward, I carry her tune. As I adjust my dreams and write my name, in every triumph, I feel her flame. Her love's not bound by time or space. It walks beside me, a quiet embrace. With autumn leaf, I say goodbye. Her hands feel soft as I start to cry. In the quiet room, where time stands still, I hold her hand, and my heart feels full. Her breath is light, her smile so glow. I whisper, I love you, not wanting to go. Deep inside, I know she'll remain, through joy, through sorrow, through every pain. Now I walk with memories clear, each thread a treasure, held so dear. Though shadows fall, her love still stays. In every heartbeat, her song still plays. I carry her laughter, her gentle face. In life's long reef, she holds her place. Though she is gone, her light won't fade. In the thread of my life, her love is my bread. I weave her love in all that I do. In kindness I give, in dreams I pursue. Her voice is the wind that whispers my way, guiding my heart through each passing day. And when my own story nears its night, her thread will glow in my children's life. Through seasons that change, her colors remain. In joy and in sorrow, in loss and in gain, her thread runs steady, through dark and through bright, binding my soul in her gentle light. For love like hers will never unspool. It stitches the heart, it makes the world full. And when my own days begin to slow, I'll walk where the early daisies grow. I'll hear her laughter in the rustling trees, feel her embrace in the evening breeze. For in every dawn, in each twilight hue, the thread of my life will lead me